Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, HISWA. Friends, in this video lecture, we will discuss a couple of questions of exercise 12A. This is class 7th, chapter 12, simple interest. So here friends, we will solve questions from 1 to 9, and these are totally based on the single formula, that is SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. So friends, let's get started. Now see friends, here question: find the simple interest and the amount when principal is equal to rupees 6,400, rate is equal to 6% per annum, and T is equal to 2 years. So means, what about the per annum? Per annum means friends per year, that means in 1 year. That means the rate should be, the rate is given as 6% per year, means in 1 year. Okay, now the principal is here friends. Now write the whatever given. P for principal is given 6,400 rupees, and now R for rate, R is equal to 6%, and time T is equal to given 2 years. Okay, now friends, from formula SI is equal to, we have to find the friends here, we have to find the interest, simple interest friends, SI, that we have to find the SI, and A for amount. Okay, now in order to find amount friends, first we have to find the SI. Okay, that is only interest or simple interest. Now see, from formula, so SI is equal to friends P into R into T divided by 100. Now here put the value of P friends, 6, 4, 2 times 0 multiply by R is 6%, and this time is 2 years, and divided by friends 100. So 2 0 will get cancelled friends. Now multiply friends, this is 6 to the 12, 64 multiply by 12, hence so SI is equal to 768 rupees. Now A is equal to friends amount is equal to friends SI plus P. Remember friends, amount is defined on the SI, the sum of the rupees. SI means interest, and the principal, that's called the amount. So SI is given 768. Now plus P is given friends here 6,400. Now the sum is friends, this is 6, 8, and this is 4 friends. ₹7,100. So this is answer. Now move the next question. Now see friends, question number 2 is given. The given principal is equal to 2,650 rupees. R is equal to 8% rate per annum, means 1 per year. T is equal to 2.5 years, and we have to find the SA and A. Now first friends, we have to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. This is 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 4 plus 1, this is 5 by 2 years. Now we can proceed here from formula. First SI is equal to friends, this is P into R into T divided by 100. Write the value of P friends, 2,650 multiply by R 8%. T is here friends 5 by 2. Okay, and now divided by 100. So here 1 0 will get cancelled. 2 1 ja 2, and 2 4 ja, this is 2 4 ja 8. Now multiplying friends, 265 as it is, and 4 multiplied by 5, this is 20, and divided by friends 10. So this 0 will get cancelled. Now hence SI is equal to 265 multiplied by 2. after calculating friends, that means 265 is going to be multiplied with 2, becomes this is 530 rupees. So this is SI. And now friends, A is equal to, what about A? A is equal to friends P plus SI or SI plus P. Means what about the P? P is given to 650 and SI is here friends 530. Now after adding this is 0, 5 plus 3 this is 8, 5 plus 3 8, and 5 plus 6 11. 11 is 1 is balance, 2 and 1 3. So this is 3180 rupees. So this is answer this question. I hope you will be grasped. Now see next question. Now friends, see question number 3 says principal, P for principal, and the P is given 1500 friends, 1500. Okay, now R rate is given 12% per annum, and time T is given friends 3 years 3 months. Okay, now we have to find friends, this is simple interest SI and Prince amount A. Now here friends, first we have to mark, because the time is given, whenever we write the formula friends, SI is equal to, from formula, talking about formula, suppose from formula, so SI is equal to friends P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by 100. So this T is friends, the time is in air, this is the time, but this time is in air. So here friends, the time is given is the two terms, 3 years and month, that is the time is given years as well as months. So we have to change this month in terms of year. Okay, now see friends, here the T as it is, now this is 3 years as it is, then add plus and the 3 months. So we have to change these 3 months in terms of years friends, that means we have to divide 3 by 12 friends, and now calculate this. So this becomes 3 and 3 by 12. So this is 39 divided by 12. So this could be written as friends 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, and 3 4 ja 12. Now hence the time is equal to 13 by 4 years, because friends here the time is given, here the T is given for years, and here is the given 3 years and 3 months. So we have to change this 3 months in years, that means we have to divide this 3 by 12. After calculating we will get T is equal to 13 divided by 4. So this is the years. Now we have to put the value of T here, instead of T is 13 divided by 4. Now see friends, here SI is equal to P into R into T. Now what about P? P is 1500 multiplied by, this is R 12%, and T is friends 13 divided by 4. Okay, and divided by this is 100. So this 20 will get cancelled friends here. Okay, now here friends 4 1 ja 4 and 4 3 ja 12. Now 15 3 ja 45 and multiply by this is 13. Now after calculating 13 5 ja 65, 5 is here and 6 is balance, and 13 4 ja 52, 52 plus 6, so here 58, and this is rupees friends. So the SI is, this is the first answer, 585. Now A is equal to friends, A means P principal plus SI. Now the principal is given here 1500, 152 times 0, plus SI is given friends, SI here we have to find here 585. After calculating, that means 5 plus 0 this is 5, here 8 plus 0 this is 8, and now 5 plus 5 this is 0, 1 is balance, and 1 1 this is 2. So we can find this is 2085 rupees. This is A, it means amount. So these two are answer this question. Now see friends, question number 4 is given principal is given, P is equal to friends, this is 9600 rupees, okay, and R is equal to given rate 7.5% per annum, and time T is given friends, T is equal to 15 months. So this is, now we have to find friends SI, simple interest, and amount. First find the SI, then add SI to principal to get the amount, okay. So here friends, we also apply the same formula, okay, but here R is 7 and 1/4, that's in the mixed fraction. First we have to change this R as in terms of improper fraction. 7 to 14 plus 1 15, 15/2 friends, percentage, okay. Now here friends time is given months, we have to change the time in air. So this is 5 and divided by this is 12 becomes friends, this is air. And I hope friends we can easily solve these sums after applying SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. I hope friends you can calculate first SI, then add whatever the value you get SI, and then add SI to PI and to get A, okay friends. This is the first answer from here, and the second answer is P plus SI. After calculating SI, then add SI to PA, we will get the A, okay. So please do it. Now see the next question. Now friends, see question number 5 is as the question number 4. Here P is given friends at the solution, and the P is what given? P principal is 5,000 rupees, okay, and now rate R is equal to 9%. This is per annum, means in 1 year, per year, and time is given friends, this is time is 146 days, but here remember friend we have to change this day into air, okay. Now we have to find SI first, then find A friends. So in order to find SI first and A, first we have to change this time which is in days into years. So now T is equal to friends 146 divided by 12 becomes year, okay. Now see, calculate this. This is friends 2 6 ja, we can get cancelled, 2 6 ja 12, or 2 7 ja 2 3 ja. So T is equal to friends 73 divided by 6 air. Now here friends we can apply the formula. Here SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. So instead of P we have to put the value of P this, and R is here, and T is, we have to put this T is equal to 73 by 6 here, okay. Then calculate SI. Now afterwards A is equal to P plus SI. So add SI to P becomes amount. I hope friends you can calculate easily. Now see the next one. Now see friends, question number 6, which is the same, means similar question as question 1 2 3 and 4 5, okay. Now see question number says find the time when principal, means P principal, P for principal P is given friends 6,400 rupees, and now SI is given, this is 1152 rupees, and rate is given friends, rate 6% per annum. Now friends we have to find here time friends, time T. So here friends we have to use the same formula as used in the previous questions like 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now from formula friends, because we have only one formula in this chapter so far, okay. From formula SI we have to remember the only one formula friends. From SI is equal to P into R into T divided by friends 100. So here friends there are 4 variables SI, P, R and T, and 1 2 3, because among them 3, that means we have the 3 of the values three values. Here is the P, okay. S is, yes, the value of S is exists, the value of R is okay. Then we can easily find out this T, friends, after replacing instead of SI as 1152. So instead of this P, this is 6400. Now instead of this R, this is 6%, and instead of T as it is. And now because we have to find this T, now divided by 100, this 2 0 will get cancelled, friend, okay. Now here, friends, T is equal to, here T becomes, because this 64 and multiply by 6, then multiply by T, because these two numbers are in the multiplication position with T. So this T is equal to, this is 1152 divided by this 64 and 6. Now calculate and you will get the answer this question very easily. Now see friends, this number will get cancelled by 8. 8 ja friends 64. Now 8 1 ja 8, 3 becomes 35. 8 4 ja friends 32. This is 8 4 ja 32. Now here, friends, 144 divided by 8 multiplied by 6. Now friends, 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12 becomes 24, and 6 4 ja 24. Then 8 1 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. So hence T is equal to, friends, 3 years. So this is answer. This question we can easily find out, friends. Question number 7, question number 8. Now see the question number 8. 7 is the similar question. Now see, friends, here question number 8 is given. In the question number 8 says principal P is equal to, this is 5000, and now amount A is given 6450 rupees, and rate R is equal to 12% per annum. We have to find here time, friends. T is equal to what? Now see, friends, but we need SI in order to find T, because if we apply the from formula, SI is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by 100. So here is no A, friends, there is no AP in this formula. So in order to find this time T, so we need the value of three things, like either SIPR or SPT, that means SIPT or PRT, okay. Now see, we have to find here T, so we need SI, P and R. So but the SI is not given here, friends. So now from here, friends, A is equal to what, friends? P plus SI from formula. So the A is, the value of A is given 6450, or now the value of P is given, friends, 5000, and plus SI as it is. So now bring this 5000 to the left hand side with the negative sign to bring minus 5000, and here right hand side is as it is SI. Now here, friends, this is 6450 minus 5000, that means 1450 rupees SI. So write the SI in left side and the value should be in right hand side. So this is SI. Then, friends, we can easily find out the time T, because the value of SI, that here 1450, put the instead of this SI as 1450, then P is given, then R is given, and 100 is 100, friend. Now we can easily calculate the time T as previous question 6. Okay, I hope, friends, you can solve this sum. Okay, now similarly we can solve the question number 9, friends. Now see, the question number 9 says very simple. Now afterwards, now see, friends, here question number 9 says here, find rate when 9 principal is given. P is equal to 8250 rupees, SI is given 1100 rupees, time t is given 2 year. Same formula is here, friends. We have to find the r. R is equal to what? Now same formula, SI is equal to what? P into R into T divided by 100. So SI is given from here 1100. Now P is given 8250. R find as it is. Now time is given, friends, 2 year, and divided by this is 100. So this 0 will get cancelled, friend. After calculate cross multiplication, 1 this, no, hey, this is 1, friends. So this total is multiplied by this one, cross multiplication. Now this is 825 multiplied by this is 2 and multiplied by r, friends, and becomes this is 110 multiplied by this is 10. Now r is equal to here 110 multiplied by this is 10 and divided by, friends, 825 multiplied by this is 2. Okay, so here we can easily calculate and they find the answer in terms of percentage, gives the percent, r percent. Okay, I hope, friends, you can solve all the sum whatever the question are left. So please solve. Now your homework, friends, question number 1 to 9. If you have any doubt, confusion, ask me or comment in the comment box below. Have a nice day.